When you search for insulated bags, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually keeps your food fresh and drinks chilled, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, LifeWit Medium Lunch Bag. Priced at just $7.99. This bag caught my attention because it promises to keep your food and drinks at just the right temperature for hours. If you want a reliable lunch companion, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this product solves your problem. The LifeWit bag is designed with thermal insulation, meaning it can keep your food warm or cool for over 4.5 hours. That's perfect if you're heading to the office or going on a picnic. It has a capacity of 9 liters, which is enough to store about 12 cans of soda or a hearty lunch with snacks. Plus, the leak-proof and waterproof design ensures no messes, even if you pack ice. This bag has been a popular choice, with over 30,000 sold last month alone. Now, some people complained about the bag's size, saying it might be too small for larger meals. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking to pack lunch for work or a small outing, this size is incredibly convenient. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. This is perfect for you if you need a daily lunch bag for work or a short trip. Skip this one if you're looking to carry larger meals or drinks for a family picnic. With its affordable price, it's a solid value for what it offers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for keeping those drinks cold while you're out and about.
Product number 2, Titan by Arctic Zone Cooler. We have the Titan by Arctic Zone Deep Freeze Cooler. It's a bit pricier, but it's worth looking into if you need serious cold retention. Its unique zipperless design caught my eye, and honestly, I was curious about how well it performs. If you want something that can handle a day at the beach or a tailgate, this might be your answer. This cooler holds up to 16 cans and utilizes deep freeze performance insulation, which means your drinks stay icy cold for hours. The hard body liner with Smart Shelf allows you to separate hard items from soft foods, preventing any squishing of sandwiches. Its rugged exterior is water and stain repellent, making cleanup a breeze. This cooler is built to last, and it's designed to be convenient to carry with an adjustable shoulder strap. With over 4,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some reviews mention that it can be a bit bulky to carry around. Here's the thing though, if you're planning a long day away from home with lots of food and drinks, that bulkiness is probably something you'll appreciate for the space it provides. This is perfect for you if you're someone who often goes on day trips or tailgates and needs a reliable cooler. Skip this option if you prefer something more compact for everyday use. For the features it offers, I'd say it's a solid investment. Now, if life that's smaller size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its massive capacity.
Product number 3, CIV Jet Insulated Food Delivery Bag. At just $9.99, it's an affordable option that offers a whopping 79-liter capacity. I was intrigued by its versatility for both grocery shopping and food delivery services. If you need something spacious and multifunctional, this is definitely worth considering. This bag is built to keep your food warm or cold for over 1.5 hours, making it great for transporting meals from the store to your kitchen or for catering needs. Plus, it's collapsible, so when you're done using it, you can easily store it without taking up much space. Its popularity is evident with over 2,000 units sold recently. However, a few users mentioned that the bag doesn't hold up well under heavy weight. Here's my perspective. If you plan to use it for light grocery trips or food delivery services, it should work perfectly fine. Just be mindful of how much you pack in there. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent grocery shopper or a food delivery driver looking for an affordable and reliable option. Skip this one if you need something that can handle very heavy loads consistently. For its price, it's a great value. All right, that was a versatile choice. But for those looking for something extra sturdy, let's check out the next one.
Product number 4, Bodon Insulated Reusable Grocery Bag. Priced at $16.95 for a 2-pack. I was impressed by its heavy-duty design meant for transporting frozen foods. If you're someone who regularly shops for groceries or needs to deliver hot meals, this one's for you. These bags are large and can hold up to 30 liters, ideal for groceries or food deliveries. They're designed to keep items cold, making them perfect for trips to the grocery store. The foldable design is a bonus, as it makes storage super easy. Additionally, they can support up to 25 pounds, so you won't have to worry about them breaking under pressure.
With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's gaining traction among shoppers. However, some customers pointed out that they wish the zippers were more durable. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using them for grocery trips and not as a daily heavy-duty delivery bag, the zipper should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you frequently buy frozen foods or need a reliable bag for grocery shopping. Skip this if you're looking for an everyday delivery solution that requires constant heavy use. The price is reasonable for the value you get here.
Product number 5, P-Sug Insulated Bags for Food Delivery. We have the P-Sug Insulated Bags for Food Delivery, priced at $13.99. This bag stands out with its stylish design and large capacity of 79 liters. If you need something chic yet functional for catering or grocery transport, this one might catch your eye. The P-Sug bag is made from non-woven fabric and features reinforced handles, allowing it to hold up to 60 pounds. It does a fantastic job at keeping food warm or cold, thanks to its efficient insulation. Plus, it's foldable, making it easy to store when not in use. This option has become popular among users, with over 1,000 sold last month. Some users mention that it can be difficult to clean if it gets stained. Here's the thing though, if you're careful about what you pack and use it for events rather than everyday food transport, it should serve you well without too much hassle. This is perfect for you if you're catering or need to transport a lot of food for gatherings. Skip this if you need a bag that can withstand daily heavy use and frequent cleanings. It's a good value for the features it offers. Now that we've seen all 5 options, let's quickly recap which one might work best for you. To wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic insulated bags today. The LifeWit is perfect for everyday lunches, while the Titan Cooler is your go-to for outdoor events. The CIVE tea bag is great for grocery shopping, and the Boreon provides excellent frozen food storage. Finally, the PESUG bag combines style and functionality for catering needs. Each option has its strengths, so choose the one that best fits your lifestyle.